Good morning, beautiful people. It is 9:40 a.m. at 65316 Shinglemill Road in the beautiful Pearl River, Louisiana 70452. This single family home is approximately 2,125 living square feet and it sits on 1 acre. This is real navigable waterfront living. Look at this beautiful street. Look at the woods. The roof is about 10 years old. The HVAC systems is about 5 to 7 years old. It's brick all around the home. It's got a double attached garage with an attached workshop inside of it. And you know what? Let's go take a look in the back. Let's get the outside. Let's check out the outside. We got a detached shed. Orange trees, grapefruit trees. This is beautiful. So you see how the land is on a slope. Okay, you will have no issues with flooding on this property. In fact, a terrible rainstorm passed last night, and I kid you not, I am walking on dry grass. Like, literally all the water must have already drained to the river. Look at these beautiful trees. Gorgeous. Very secluded, quiet. Neighbors are very respectful. Check this out. You can build yourself a pier, go kayaking, boating, tubing, fishing. This is the Louisiana wildlife dream right here. Check this out. Check it out, check it out. Here's the back view of the home. You have a nice extended covered porch in the back and in the front. This is great for entertaining, or just to simply live in peace and quiet. It's up to you. All right, so when we get back, we're gonna go take a look on the interior of the home. We'll go ahead and walk around the home to the front so you can see the home at its best through the front door. So I'm going to show you of the interior amenities and features of the home, which is what makes this home so special. Okay. Here's the front porch. Let's just walk the front porch. It's a really long front porch, plenty of space. Here we go. Let's take a look. All right, here's the foyer. This floor is a luxury tile flooring. This could be the dining area. Fresh paint. Whole house is fresh painted, top to bottom. New fixtures, new hardware. This is a high grade vinyl plank flooring. This is the living area. Look at these windows. These are like skyscraper windows. This is the perfect view. One of the best views I've ever seen from a living room. Just imagine. All right, plenty of shelving. Here's the kitchen area. The luxury tile flooring. Granite countertop, stainless steel appliances. New stainless steel appliances. Plenty of cabinet space. Plenty of drawer space. Here is the double attached garage. Clean as a whistle. Flooring has been painted nice and smooth. Electric door opening. And as a bonus, there is an attached workshop, powered workshop. Bam, you see that? Plenty of storage space. Plenty of room to work and do as you please. All right. This is place for the refrigerator. And this is the laundry with vinyl plank flooring in the laundry room, half bath as well. Look at that view. So this door leads to the back. You know, we've seen the back, but not up close and personal. Here's more storage space. Let's just walk along this back porch, this back covered porch. How nice everything is painted, clean. This house is pristine, very well kept, newly renovated. Let's check out that view. All right. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms and bathrooms. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1 half bath that we just saw. Plenty of closet space here. Plenty of closet space. And here is more closet space. Here's guest bedroom 1. Look at that view of the front yard. Very nice. More closet space. Guest bedroom 2. Plenty of natural sunlight. Man, the view, the neighbors, everything around us, it's just natural beauty. All right, this is the first full bath. We have a handicap tub. Toilet. This is the primary bedroom and full bathroom. More closet space. Vinyl plank flooring throughout this area, all the bedrooms, the hallway. Man, look at that. Nice. All right, folks. Thank you for tuning in today. And this is 65316 Shinglemill Road. Schedule your appointment today.